Hi, my name's Lisa and I'm one of the owners of 360 Payments, and I would like to first thank you for choosing to do business with 360 and welcome you to our family. The first thing you should expect from 360 is to be contacted by our technical support team led by Danny Welsh, who's been with us for over 5 years, and his team is Tommy, John Luke, and Jason. You're going to get a couple of emails from us, some from other companies that are our partners, and you're going to be contacted to schedule a time to do the installation. If there's an urgent need to get up and running, or you're just really excited and you want to choose a specific date and time, please contact us at tickets@360-payments.com or call 408-295-8360. And whatever you do, do not cancel your current processor until you're up and running with us, because the last thing I want is for you to not be able to accept credit cards. Once you're up and running with 360, or maybe you're already up and running with 360, you should expect unbelievable customer support led by Renee Levesque, who's been with us for over 7 years, and she's called Nene in our office. So feel free to call her Nene as well. Just don't call her Ranene or Shanene. And some of the other people on her team include Victoria Fox, who we call Foxy, and Kelsey, as well as Sam. In the event that there is an influx of calls, or it is after hours or on the weekend, you should expect a spillover program that is also answered by a 24/7 live human being that's answering the phone, and we will return your call, one of these awesome women, as soon as possible. Or feel free to email tickets@360-payments.com or call 408-295-8360, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. At 360, we use email as a major form of communication to let you know when there's some important updates going on in the credit card processing industry or at 360 in general. We highly encourage you to look at these emails, read them. While they look intimidating at times, we promise we make them as simple as possible. And if you want some examples of these emails, as some of them are not from 360, they're on our website, so feel free to check that out. Or you can always call us at 408-295-8360 or email us at tickets@360-payments.com. Some of these emails do include feedback and surveys. As a business owner, from one to another, I really appreciate any feedback you can give my organization, as we're always looking to improve our customer service. One of the things that we highly encourage at 360 is the use of online reporting. Please let us know if you have not set up your online reporting, because it does include statements, chargebacks, retrievals, your 1099 information, as well as your batches and transaction history. Just check out our website at 360payments.com/online-reporting for any information, or you can email us at tickets@360-payments.com or always call 408-295-8360. When accepting credit card transactions, sometimes there's some abnormal ones. An abnormal transaction is typically something that is way higher than your average one. Maybe you have an average transaction of $1,000 and you run a $10,000 sale. Sometimes abnormal transactions are a large refund. When this happens, it's flagged on the back end, and we make sure that we communicate with you when it does. However, if you can be proactive and help us by answering a few simple questions at 360payments.com/high-transaction, that would be very, very helpful. It's very uncommon that this happens. It's less than 0.5% of our overall volume, and we process over $2 billion a year. Be proactive so that no funds are held and that we can help you out. Chargebacks, chargebacks, chargebacks. I shouldn't even be saying that with a smile. In America, you're innocent until proven guilty, unless you're a merchant taking credit cards. Nobody wants to deal with chargebacks, but at 360, we're extremely proactive in helping you win them as much as we can. These rules are set by Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, and you will be contacted by us at least 3 times and even receive some phone calls, because there's nothing more we want than for you to win these transactions and disputes. They do happen under 1% of the time, and our goal is to make an unpleasant experience as simple as possible for you. Please email us at tickets@360-payments.com or call 408-295-8360 if you have any questions on any chargebacks. And in the meantime, check out our awesome blogs on our website for any tips and tricks.